object of the game is to get all the objects scattered around into the hoop with a bit of exercise along the way. It's a fun game, especially for the little ones. We've used the sea theme, bath toys and lots of objects, but basically you can use any object around the outside, and it's just a bit of fun. So you can adapt it to suit whatever you've got, use what resources or equipment you've got around the outside, and basically we've added the bubbles for a bit of fun as well. This little one loves it. Right, okay, are you ready, Lucy and James? Yeah. Okay, off you go, run! Pick up all the objects, put them in the shop, in the hoop. One at a time, that's the key, putting one in at a time. There you go, fast as you can, speed it up a little bit. Super job. Shark is coming, shark, freeze. So when the shark comes, we freeze, and this time we're going to change it to jumping. Off you go, jumping to get the objects. Jumping.
A shark is coming.
Yep. Jump. Go, jump. That's it. Oh, I love it. Big jumps all the way. Pick up another object, put it in the hoop. Keep jumping. Well done, Luce. You're doing a great job. Keep going, James. Big jumps. Great job, guys. Shark! Freeze, so the shark is coming. We don't want him to get us. Now we'll do crawling. Off you go. Crawl, quick, fast as you can. Face the clock now, my timer's running out. Quick, faster, crawl fast. Let's fill this hoop. Keep it going, put them in the hoop, crawling. And now, shark. Last one, running. Go. Fast. Whoa, pick them up, quick James, race up. Come in. Yeah, that's the end of the game, guys. Thanks for watching.